Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. The 2025 Kia Telluride continues to uphold its reputation as a top-tier midsize SUV, blending style, performance, and family-friendly features. Building upon its previous successes, the latest model introduces several noteworthy updates that enhance its appeal to a broad range of drivers. One of the most significant changes for 2025 is the introduction of the X-Pro trim, which replaces the previous X-Pro variant. This new trim offers rugged amenities at a more accessible price point, catering to those seeking both luxury and off-road capabilities. Additionally, all X-Line and X-Pro trims now feature black Kia and Telluride emblems, adding a sleek and modern touch to the vehicle's exterior. Side turn 0 Sarch 0. In terms of standard features, the S trim has been upgraded to include a power tilt/slide sunroof and a smart power liftgate, enhancing convenience and comfort for drivers and passengers alike. These additions reflect Kia's commitment to providing value across its lineup. Side turn 0 Sarch 0. The 2025 Telluride also sees some adjustments in its color offerings. While the Mahogany X and Sage Green X-Line and X-Pro interiors have been discontinued, a new exterior color, Panthera Metal, has been introduced, providing a fresh and contemporary option for buyers. Side turn 0 Sarch 0. In recognition of its excellence, the Kia Telluride has been honored as the Best Midsize SUV for the 6th consecutive year by Kelley Blue Book's Best Buy Awards. This accolade underscores the vehicle's consistent quality, performance, and value in a competitive segment. Side turn 0 Sarch 6. Pricing for the 2025 Telluride remains competitive. The base LX model starts at $37,585 and maintaining the same entry point as the previous year. The S trim is priced at $39,485 and reflecting a $1,000 an increase, while the X trim remains steady at $40,485 and notably, the SX trim sees a slight decrease, now starting at $43,185 and side turn 0 Sarch 12. In terms of safety, the 2025 Telluride continues to prioritize driver and passenger well-being. While specific updates for this model year are limited, the vehicle maintains its suite of advanced safety features, contributing to its strong reputation in the midsize SUV market. Side turn 0 Sarch 2. Overall, the 2025 Kia Telluride builds upon its established strengths with thoughtful updates and enhancements. Its combination of style, functionality, and value continues to make it a compelling choice for families and individuals seeking a reliable and versatile midsize SUV.